Introducing the TRWC and TRWC-L. The TRWC and TRWC-L are a line of battery-powered watering cans, perfect for eliminating the need to lift heavy watering cans, especially for high-hanging indoor plants. Great for the young and old. Keep your plants healthy and thriving. The latest version of the TRWC and TRWC-L now has a detachable hose that can be replaced whenever needed. This particular line of battery-powered watering cans are powered by 4 AA batteries. The container holds 3.8 gallons of water. The TRWC has a flow rate of 1.3 to 2.2 gallons per minute, while the TRWC-L has a flow rate of 1.2 to 2 gallons per minute, with a nozzle lock feature to relieve hands during long watering periods. The TRWC has a discharge hose of 2.5 feet, while the TRWC-L has a discharge hose of 4.9 feet. You can find this product by searching TRWC and TRWC-L on Amazon.com.